Hi, this is Anna from Mria Labs here. Today I will show you how easy it is to create a deal inside Mria CRM. There are a few options how you can create a deal. Let me show you all of them. The first one is the easiest one. You need to go to the deals and click Create a Deal. This will open a new deal creation window. You need to give it a name. You need to select the pipeline where you want this deal to be in. Among those that have been configured previously, you need to select the relevant stage. You need to have the contact and the company to create a deal. It is impossible to create a deal without a contact and a company. So, once I select the contact from the list, it's automatically linked to the company this contact is tied to. If you don't have the relevant contact inside your Mria CRM, currently you need to create it first and then create a deal using it. Then you need to assign this deal to someone, or you can keep it unassigned if that's relevant to your sales process. And there is a deal amount field here. If you know the deal amount already, you can put it in here. If you don't know it yet, then it could be left blank and it's still possible to create a deal. Click Create. Here is our deal. It includes all the information that I mentioned during deal creation. Here is my contact and my company. Now I can start working with it from here. That's one of the options how you can create a deal. In Mria CRM, it's also possible to create a deal from existing contact or company. Let me show you how easy it is. Let's select the contact first. As you see, I can see under the deals section all the deals that are already existing in my Mria CRM linked to this definite person. From here, I can create a new one. Let me give it a name. Let's select the pipeline. Let it be another one. The relevant stages accordingly. If I know the deal amount, I can enter it here. If I don't know, it can still be left blank. And here is the deal that we have just created. It contains all the information that we have input together, and you can start working with it. That's one of the options, but not the last one. One more way to create a deal inside Mria CRM is to convert a lead to the deal. Mria CRM is built in a way that every lead, once it's qualified and worked on, can be converted to the deal. Just to mention that since the deal it cannot be created without a contact and a company, you need to create them first. Let me show you how it works. Let's select this lead. There is tons of information here, but there is no linked contact yet and no linked company. Let's add a contact from the lead. This information is taken from the lead details that I've just shown you. Create a contact. This creates a contact record inside your Mria CRM, not just inside the lead. And this lead is linked to this specific person that we have just created. Then we need to create a company. Since the newly created contact doesn't have the linked company yet, we need to do this. Let's do this together. Let's give it a name. We can either select the existing one or we can create a new one. Let me select the existing one and add it here. So generally, we have all the prerequisites to convert this lead into a deal. Let's do it together. Click Convert. You need to give the deal name. If you know the deal amount, you can put it in here. If you don't know, then it can be left blank, which is also fine. You need to select the pipeline where the deal will go. You need to select the stage. Those checkboxes should be marked if you have any activities or links, Jira tasks or GSM tickets or any Confluence links or any web links that are tied to the lead and you want to keep them upon conversion, then you should mark those checkboxes here. If you want those links stay only tied to the lead and you don't need them on the deal, you may leave it blank and click Convert. Your deal has been created out of the lead. The source has been inherited, so it's very easy to follow the source for the deals if they have been converted from leads. All the information is in here, and you can start working with this deal. The lead shows as converted now. That's all on my end. Find Mria CRM on the Atlassian Marketplace and give it a free trial today. Bye.